Good afternoon, traders and potential traders. This is Nuke coming at you with another episode of Day Trading with Nuke. And, well, it's been about 2 weeks since the last video I produced, and I told y'all I was going to start back doing these things. In the last couple of weeks, I've kind of gotten that ball rolling. I've really kind of come back out of my shell, been getting the wheels turning and getting some stuff going. So, with that said, I got about 4 things I'd like to talk to you about. We're approaching 500 subscribers, so thank y'all for the support. Y'all have done a marvelous job of helping my channel grow, and I'm hoping that y'all are still getting a lot out of this content, and we're about to be rolling out a whole lot more content for y'all. So moving into that, the next thing we're going to have is we're just past the 400 subscriber mark, so once we get to the 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a couple of hour-long mentor session, and that's going to be open to everyone and to show my support for you for supporting me. And we'll talk about whatever topics you want to cover: technicals, Fibonacci, how to plan a trade, what are some common pitfalls. Just think about your questions, write them down, and we'll discuss it when that time comes. In the meantime, thank you for supporting each other. And if something that we've covered on this channel, or and talking to me through Discord or whatnot, has helped you to be a better trader, share that with somebody else that's coming in. And if somebody else is looking at getting into trading, point them this way. We'll see if we can help them out, right? People helping people, that's what we're all about. Next thing I'd like to talk to you about. TradeNet is the company that I typically do the majority of my trading with, and they are offering a new TradeNet challenge. There's going to be more information in the description below about that, and I'm going to do another video specifically about that trading challenge in a couple of days. But they are offering it this time for not only new members, but existing TradeNet members as well. And instead of the typical TradeNet challenge with an intro account, they will be using the pro level account with $240,000 of trading capital. Now, it's all going to be, the challenge is going to take place on a demo account, but it'll have all of the bells and whistles and features as their regular trading accounts. So everything's going to translate directly over. They have some pretty awesome prizes. Top prize, they said, is going to be an account of almost $1 million. They're going to give away a couple of pro accounts. They're going to give away a few student accounts and a handful of intro accounts. So it's a nice incentive plan. And with that, I was getting a lot of questions asked. Hey, Nuke, are you going to participate in the challenge? Yes, I am. Hey, Nuke, is there anywhere we can get together and talk about this? Well, because I've kind of backed away from being affiliated with other trade rooms and stuff like that, I didn't have a place to really host this, but I kept getting asked, and I gave it some thought and said, you know what, I'm going to create a spot where we can have a room to talk about this stuff for the challenge. And then it snowballed into, in the process of doing that, I kind of just went ahead and took the initiative and started a Discord room for Day Trading with Nuke. So we will go ahead and start rolling into all the other typical services you see offered, and that's going to be rolling out this week. So we got some good guys coming on board, a lot of nice talent, and we're going to try and keep it free. That is kind of been my theme from the start, is most of the best help I've received has always come from places other than the place you pay for it. It's the guy that takes the time and talks to you and spends a little time with you and gives you that mentoring you need. All these channels are out there, they're putting tons of content out free on the YouTube, and then they charge you out the ass to be a member of their channel, and you don't get shit out of it more than what you would, just checking out their free content. Well, okay, fine. I've always done things a little bit different, and I'd like to keep it that way, So anyway, with that being said, the room is going to basically be for free, and we'll set it up to where we have donations to where if you're getting something out of this, give the room a donation or give your favorite mentor a donation, whatever, and support us that way. But there's not going to be a cover charge at the door. One thing I found in the time that I've been doing this is usually the people that need day trading in their life the most and who need the most help are the ones that don't have the cash up front to pay it forward and get the premium services or spend whatever dollar sign somebody attaches to it for free information. Day trading information is out there, man. There's books. You can get it from a library. There's tons of YouTube videos. That's the easy part. The hard part is putting it together, and that takes time, patience. Having a good mentor makes it really easy. So, well, I shouldn't say easy. It makes it easier. It's still on you. You've got to do the work. You've got to put the time in. And you can have all of these pieces, but sometimes you just need a little extra help putting it together. And that's what I hope to bring to the table. And the people that are going to be in here kind of taking that challenge on themselves, they're doing it because they enjoy helping other people and they want to see you succeed. But the whole premise is going to be to make this easy, accessible, and free to everyone. And if you're getting something of value out of it, you come back and you pay that forth to help us cover the cost of running it. But none of the people here at my site are going to be taking a salary. It's all going to be just through donations or gifting. They're here because they want to help you. That being said, be kind. If you're getting a lot out of it, why pay some other jerk a exorbitant amount of money when you're not actually getting a good value? Come hang out with some guys that are give you a straight story, talk to you like a regular person, not out just to take your money from you. And then, if you find value in that, pay it forward, gift back to them. Something that's affordable to you. And we all have different amount of means. So what's affordable to one person isn't necessarily affordable to the next. What we want is to help as many people as we can. So we would ask that those people give back as they can. What's appropriate for them. So we're looking forward to it. We're excited. It's a beautiful Mother's Day. I'm about to take my wife out on a motorcycle ride. We're going to go up in the hills and enjoy some of this beautiful sun and go terrassing around on the bike for a couple hours. But aside from that, I look forward to getting this started. I'll see you all here. The links are going to be below. It's going to be a Discord room, Day Trading with Nuke. If you can't find it, you don't have an invite or whatnot, shoot me a message on Discord at Nuke #5239, I believe it is. The link's below. If not, you get there through one of the YouTube channels, find a way. But get in there, see what we got to offer, and let us know what you think. But, TradeNet Challenge. I think it kicks off at the end of the month. We have about 2 weeks really to get our feet underneath us and get prepped. One of the benefits of signing up underneath like a team, if you're interested in doing the challenge, by signing up under the same team, you kind of have a stronger showing. You get a little more support. It's not necessary, but it doesn't hurt anything. Right now, if you're interested in getting a new account or upgrading the account you have, they have some nice sales going on. Intro account is down to $350. That's $150 off the normal price. And the Pro account has the other best price, and I think that's $6,500 marked down from $9,000. So that's like, $2,500 off. So that's their other best deal. But they're supporting the people right now, if you're wanting to get in. If you don't, hey, you can do the challenge for free. I think during the time of the challenge, their educational materials are free as well. So anyway, that's my take on it. I'm trying to get out of here in under 10 minutes. I look forward to it. Come on over to the room. Let us know what you think. Enjoy it. Try it out. Say hello to the guys. All right. We'll see y'all soon with another video.